Hi, this is Naxatra from Efficient Manufacturing magazine, and we have with us Mr. Vilash Maurya from Naxatra Labs. Sir, thank you very much for tuning.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
First question I would like to ask you: what are the different offerings of your company, and what are the services do you provide?
Yeah. So hi, I'm Abhilash from Naxatra. What we do is we make electric motors and controllers, and the primary target market for us is the scooters market, bikes, e-rickshaw, L5 loaders, and we have been running this company for 5 years. We have spent initial 4 years in the R&D of the technology. So we understand the R&D. That's why we are able to scale our products not just in electric vehicle. We can also put it across agriculture segment, construction machinery. So yeah, that's what we are doing.
That's a very different approach of using the battery.
Absolutely.
And how do you make sure that your motor sustains the whole lifelong life?
Absolutely.
Of the vehicle?
Got the question. So I think this is the most important question which everyone in the EV segment need to ask, because if you look at the Indian context, everyone has been importing motors mostly from the China. And but if you want to ensure the longer quality, longer time of span, so what you need to do is basically you have to do everything end to end. You have to do the technology, you have to do testing, you have to do the manufacturing, everything in house. And we have spent 5 years into it. So we do everything in-house, and that's why we are able to ensure that everything.
We can say that your company aligns with the Make in Vision in your country.
Absolutely. So I'll be very happy to tell you that in initial 3 years of our company, we received around 50 lakhs of government grants against no equity, and without government grants, we wouldn't be here. So Make in India, absolutely, we have been doing it, and we have been supported by it.
And what is the response of this particular event has been so far?
It has been wonderful, and we keep on doing expos like 3 to 4 times every year, and this is the moment we speak face to face with the customers. All of us know that Zoom calls, phone calls, it's much better to speak to them front to front. We don't just speak to the new customer, we also get to speak with our older stakeholders. So yeah, wonderful.
Thank you very much. It was wonderful talking to you.
Thank you so much.